Hello students, welcome to West Bengal English Medium Guide. Today I'm going to give you the exercise question answers from chapter 6 India Location and Features, class 6 West Bengal board. At first we have the objectives from the chapter. Number A, choose the correct answer. Number 1, which of this is located in the southern part of India? Answer is D, Kerala. Number 2, the outer Himalayas are also known as, answer D, Shivalik. Number 3, which river is also called Sampo? B, Brahmaputra. Number 4, where will you find the lagoons? Answer C, Kerala. Number 5, which of these crops is grown in Brahmaputra Valley? C, rice. Next, fill in the blanks. The number 1, the northern part of eastern coastal plain is known as northern circus. Number 2, the barren island is situated in the Andaman and Nicobar Island. Number 3, the Thar Desert is also known as the Great Indian Desert. Number 4, the Sundarban Delta is the world's largest delta. Number 5, India has 28 states and 8 union territories. Number 6, mining is the main occupation of the people living in the Plateau region. Next, number C, true or false? Number 1, the Deccan Plateau is also known as the Chota Nagpur Plateau in Bihar. False. Number 2, the Pearl Strait lies between India and Sri Lanka. True. Number 3, West Bengal has a common boundary with China. False. Number 4, the Eastern Ghats are also known as Sahyadri. False. Number 5, River Narmada divides the peninsular plateau into two halves. True. Number 6, the highest mountain range in the world is Himachal. False. Now we will solve these question answers. Number 1, state the location of India. India is the 7th largest continent in the world. It is situated in the Asian continent. Number 2, mention the major physical divisions of India. India has 6 major physical divisions. These are as follows. Number 1, the northern mountains. Number 2, the northern plains. Number 3, the peninsular plateau. Number 4, the Great Indian Desert. Number 5, the coastal plains. Number 6, the islands. Number 3, lists the 2 major rivers that drain into Arabian Sea. River Narmada and Tapi are the 2 major rivers that drain into Arabian Sea. Number 4, describe the location and extent of the Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau extends from the Vindhyas in the north to the Nilgiri Hills in the south. It is bounded by the eastern and western Ghats. Number 5, which delta is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra? World's largest delta, the Sundarban Delta, is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra along with its tributary. Next, number E1, these are short questions. Write a short note on the political divisions of India. India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. The official name of India is the Republic of India, and the Union Territory of Delhi is known as the National Capital Region (NCR). Number 2, compare the Ganga Plain and the Brahmaputra Plain. Number 1, location. The Ganga Plain covers a large part of northern India. The Brahmaputra Plains covers eastern part of India. Number 2, size. The Ganga is wider than the Brahmaputra Plain. Number 3, soil. The Ganga plain has fertile alluvial soil for crops like wheat, rice and sugarcane. The Brahmaputra also and fertile alluvial soil for tea and rice. Number 4, the Ganga and Brahmaputra combine together to form the world's largest delta, the Sundarban. Then these rivers finally drain into the Bay of Bengal. Next, E3. Write a short note on the Malwa Plateau. The Malwa Plateau is surrounded by the Aravalli Hills in the northwest and Vindhyas in the south. The eastern extension of the plateau is known as Bundelkhand and the southern extension is known as Bagelkhand. In South Bihar, it is called the Chotanagpur Plateau, where vast reserves of metal ores and coal are found. Some important rivers flowing in the Malwa Plateau are Chambal, Betwa, Kane, and Son. Next, compare the western coastal and eastern coastal plain. Western coastal plain and eastern coastal plains. Number 1, it lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats. Number 1, under eastern coastal plain, it lies between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Number 2, here it runs from Run of Kutch to Kanyakumari. There, number 2, it runs from Sundarban Delta to Kanyakumari. Number 3, it has comparatively narrow stretch of India of land. Number 3, there it has comparatively wide stretch of land. Here, number 4 can be divided into Konkan coast and Malabar coast. There, number 4 can be divided into northern Sarkars and Coromandel coast. Here, number 5, it has beautiful lagoons and physical natural harbors. There, number 5, formation of fertile delta. Number 6, under western coastal plains, rivers like Tapi and Narmada flow through it. Number 6, under eastern coastal plains, rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri flow through it. Okay, now next, number 5, these are long questions. Explain the geographical extent of India. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India is almost same, which is nearly 30 degree. It extends roughly between 8 degree 4 minute and 30 degree 6 minute north latitude, and 68 degree 7 minute and 97 degree 25 minute east longitude. The Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, passes almost midway through the country. The north-south extent of the mainland of India is about 3,214 km, while the east-west extent is about 2,993 km. This doesn't include the island groups of Lakshadweep in the Arabian Sea and the Andaman and Nicobar in the Bay of Bengal. Number 2, write about the mountain ranges of India. The northern mountain ranges originate from the Pamir Knot in Central Asia and border the northern part of India. They extend up to the borders of Myanmar to the east, covering a distance of about 3,000 km. They are the highest mountain chains in the world and consist of parallel ranges. The northernmost range in the Karakoram, lying between the Pamir Knot and the Indus Valley. To the south of this range lies the Ladakh range. The Himalayas, extending between river Indus in the west and Brahmaputra in the east, are the highest mountain ranges in the world. Number 3, discuss the features of Deccan Plateau. The Deccan Plateau extends from the Vindhyas in the north to the Nilgiri Hills in the south and is bound by the eastern and western Ghats. Anamuri, 2,695 meter, is in Kerala. Is the highest peak of the Deccan Plateau. Rivers Narmada and Tapi flow westwards through the western Ghats into the Arabian Sea. Rivers Mahanadi, Krishna, Kaveri and Godavari flow eastwards through the eastern Ghats into the Bay of Bengal. The northwestern part of the Deccan Plateau, covering parts of Gujarat, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, is known as the Deccan Trap. It is made up of sheets of lava. Number 4, write a short note on the Great Indian Desert with reference to its drainage. In the northwestern part of India lies the Great Indian Desert or the Third Desert. Drainage system in Third Desert is of continental type. The Indian Desert is an area of inland drainage, as the rivers and streams do not have enough water to reach the sea and they end in the sand here. The rainfall is less in this region in this region, and rate of evaporation is high. To help the people to survive here, the Indira Gandhi Canal was constructed. The canal carries water here from river supplies. Next, number 5, briefly describe the two groups of islands. The two groups of islands are: number 1, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Number 2, the Lakshadweep Islands. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal to southeast of India. The only active volcano in India, called the Barren Island, is situated here. The Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea to the southwest of India. They form the nation's only coral islands. So these are the exercise question answers from the chapter India location and features. I will provide the inside question answers in the next video. So till then, take care and bye.